This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by building the visible board. Create a 7x6 HTML grid with data row and data call attributes so you can reference cells easily. Add CSS grid layout, fixed cell sizes, and hover highlight so players see valid drops. Then in JavaScript, initialize a 2D array representing empty cells, set current player to 1, and attach click or pointer listeners to each column. This is how you link visuals to logic. Once the events fire, you can simulate a piece dropping into the lowest empty cell. Once you capture clicks, implement the drop algorithm. Scan a column from bottom to top, place the token in the first empty slot, and update the array so state is authoritative. Render by mapping state to DOM, add classes for player 1 and player 2, and trigger a CSS transition to simulate falling. Make sure to alternate current player and prevent moves in full columns. Also keep a visual indicator so the user knows whose turn it is. These steps keep data and UI synchronized as the game progresses. You finish by validating each move for a win. Scan for in a row horizontally, vertically, and on both diagonals after placing a token and declare the winner or draw. Then add UI polish, restart button, score persistence, small animations, sound feedback, and accessibility attributes so keyboard users can play. Finally deploy by bundling static files or hosting on any static site. If something goes wrong, inspect state versus DOM after a move using console logs to catch off by one or update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.